out here. This is the trail to get to the Wasatch Crest, which we almost made but didn't because we had the wind. Conditions were really nasty, really windy, but we had some fun.
Yeah, I checked the elevation. We were at about like 10,100 feet, so we were pretty high up there. I'd say there was some drifts that were like 5-6 feet, so there's tons of snow up here.
Yeah, there's certain spots of snow where you get up to the groin, and when we got close to the top, we were basically up in a giant snow cloud with what, 20-mile-an-hour winds, 30-mile-an-hour.
Yeah,
at least.
It was nasty. You almost have to bring goggles out here, even if you're hiking, so your eyeballs don't freeze off.
But we're thinking about skiing it next time because there's a lot of potential, so we might try to do that, so stick around.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go buy some ski boots and maybe some skis, and we're gonna, I don't know, have these two guys teach me what to do, and
We're gonna teach Phil how to ski the powder.
see what we can do with it. Maybe I'll get a snowboard, I don't know, but
Yeah,
I don't know. Not a huge fan of skiers anyway, so
it's good though. Yeah, almost crashed the drone today, which was a little freaky. Lost control, but managed to land it, so it was a good day.
Yeah, hopefully that footage came out good, but yeah, we got to get moving. All right, we're up here in Big Cottonwood Canyon doing a hike. Just got 20 inches of snow last night. It's pretty cold, but I don't know where Joe's taking us. It's always an adventure. But yeah, I highly recommend wearing snow pants up here.
10 out of 10.
One more time?
10 out of 10.
All right, Michael, any words?
It's 100%.
We're gonna keep moving.
Keep moving.
All right, to be continued. Yeah, we still haven't made it. Just a little bit of snow.
It's a grind. So much powder though.
So much powder. Look at all that gnar.
Pretty sure it's called snow, not powder.
Oh, it's powder in Utah.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom,
Woo! What it's all about.
Arctic tundra.
We're high up. Very high up. Our little caboose is coming right now. Alright, we're at 9,555 feet right now. Woo! It's coming down. I'd say some of the drifts are about 5 feet deep. So plenty of snow if you want to go out skiing. It's kind of cold.
What's the gnar report?
Gnar report, a lot of snow.
The gnar is heavy, the gnar is deep, the gnar is fluffy, and it's nice and soft.
Yeah, if you look down, this is one of the shallower drifts.
This is my knee here, just for reference.
But yeah, as you can see, it's a straight blizzard out here, and Joe wanted to go hiking. So we die of hypothermia, it's Joe's fault.
I'll take the
All right.
frozen shut. Explain what's going on with your feet.
I got snowballs on my ankles. What are those?
It's a new trend, dude. Here, eat them. They're good. It's good luck.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll find out.